everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Mimi here, and today we're completing part 10 of the Pink, Purple, and Giraffes Oh My scrapbook album. I feel like we have been working on this album for freaking ever. This was the first scrapbook album I made coming back into the kind of the crafty world, so it's obviously super fun. I love the paper and everything you hear me say every time, but like, I'm ready to start a new album. It's coming to be springtime, so I'm thinking we might do something springy and fun and light. I have a couple of paper pads that I'm thinking about. I'm just not sure, so I'm gonna need your advice, and if you want, head over to Instagram and give me a follow, and soon I'll be posting some stories with all the paper pads, and then you guys can help me vote and choose which album we're gonna work on next. This layout was super fun because I decided, since the background was so plain with just the plain pink paper, that I would go up the side of the photo mat and add on a bunch of embellishments, which, oh my god, I just said embellishments, which was super fun. And then I love the way that this little black border sits on the corner of it. The black details are not, there's not a lot of them in this album, but I feel like when you see them and the details that are there, I really love them, and they really do add that pop that this album deserves. I've been really lazy with all the tags that I've been using in pretty much every single scrapbook layout. I don't really want to go in and add ribbon to all of the little holes, so instead I've just been covering up the holes with other embellishments, but I think this shape is still fun, adds a little bit of you know, different stuff to the page, but then I don't have to go in and add the tag, so it's kind of like a win-win. Page I've shown printed out on a couple of my TikToks, and I also used it in a live to demonstrate how you can use these printable download pages, and it's so easy. Even though all of these scrapbooks are lined up down the side, you think it would be difficult to add your photo to, but it's really not. It's so easy, and I've done it in a live, and it took me maybe 3 minutes from start to finish to complete this whole entire page as a printable scrapbook layout. So don't be intimidated by all of the embellishments and things. It's really super easy to use, and if you want to try these printable pages for free, head to the link in the description box and just click the bar at the top, and you can just follow the steps and you can get a free set of 3 scrapbook layouts, any of your choice, to try, and then I'd love to hear your feedback. This freaking OMG embellishment really gave me a run for my money. I put it down and then couldn't get the photo behind it, and so I decided to line the top part with this craft paper like scrap, and then so I cut it, and then I ended up breaking the embellishment, but don't worry, I still kept the piece and just hot glued it down, but man, it was trouble. But with that embellishment fixed, that completes this scrapbook layout. I hope you are inspired to create your own scrapbook layout. Maybe you want to put together your own album using printable pages. Whatever it is, I hope this inspires you to get creative, because I think it's awesome. I think it's so much fun to be able to do something that's really not motivated by anything else but fun. It's awesome. So if you create anything inspired by me, make sure you tag me. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, Pinterest, all of them. And I'd love to see what you create, and I'll definitely share it with some of my followers as well. And as always, I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!